If you had to build a dividend income portfolio for 2026, and you were only allowed to use 2 ETFs, which ones would you choose? Not the flashiest. Not the highest yield. But the ones that could realistically pay you reliable income, month after month, year after year, without blowing up your portfolio. Today, we're talking about SCHD and JEPI. 2 ETFs. 2 very different strategies. 1 powerful income system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to combine SCHD and JEPI to create maximum income in 2026, whether you're retired, approaching retirement, or simply building cash flow on the side. We'll break down what SCHD does best, what JEPI does best, why they complement each other, how to allocate between them, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes investors make with income ETFs. This is not hype. This is not day trading. This is about building an income engine that works while you sleep. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's build a smarter income portfolio for 2026. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Why income matters more in 2026. Let's start with the big picture. The investing landscape in 2026 looks very different than it did just a few years ago. Interest rates have changed. Market volatility is no longer rare, it's normal. And relying only on growth stocks for retirement has become riskier than many people realize. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't spend unrealized gains. You can't pay bills with potential growth. Income investing matters because it turns your portfolio into a cash-producing asset, not just a number on a screen. That's where SCHD and JEPI come in. Together, they solve 2 massive problems: reliable income and portfolio stability during market stress. But before we combine them, you need to understand each ETF on its own. What is SCHD? SCHD is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Its mission is simple: own high-quality US companies that consistently pay and grow dividends. SCHD focuses on strong cash flow, sustainable dividend payouts, healthy balance sheets, and long-term dividend growth. This is not a high-yield ETF. Instead, SCHD is designed to do 3 things exceptionally well: pay a reliable dividend, grow that dividend over time, protect investors from low-quality dividend traps. Think of SCHD as the foundation of an income portfolio. It may not excite you in bull markets, but it shines when markets get rough. Why SCHD is a core holding? Here's why SCHD deserves a central role in 2026. First, dividend quality. SCHD screens out companies that can't support their payouts. Second, dividend growth. Over time, rising dividends help offset inflation, something retirees care deeply about. Third, lower volatility. SCHD tends to fall less than the broader market during downturns. SCHD won't make you rich overnight, but it will help you stay rich once you get there. Still, SCHD alone isn't enough for maximum income. That's where JEPI enters the picture. What is JEPI? JEPI is the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. JEPI's goal is very different from SCHD's. Instead of focusing on dividend growth, JEPI focuses on high monthly income. It does this through a portfolio of large-cap U.S. stocks, and an options strategy that generates income through covered calls. The result? JEPI typically produces significantly higher income than SCHD, often paid monthly. But higher income comes with trade-offs, and we'll talk about those honestly. SCHD versus JEPI, key differences. Let's be clear. SCHD and JEPI are not competitors. They are partners. SCHD prioritizes dividend growth, long-term stability, capital preservation. JEPI prioritizes high monthly income, reduced volatility, income consistency. SCHD grows your income over time. JEPI boosts your income right now. When combined correctly, they form a powerful income system that works across market cycles. And in the next part, I'll show you exactly why combining them is smarter than owning either one alone, and how most investors get this wrong. Why owning only one ETF is a mistake. One of the biggest mistakes income investors make is believing that one ETF can do everything. They want high income, capital appreciation, low volatility, inflation protection, and long-term safety, all from a single fund. That rarely works. Every ETF has a strength, and every ETF has a weakness. SCHD's weakness is that its income may not feel high enough if you're retired or relying on cash flow today. JEPI's weakness is that its long-term growth potential is limited by its options strategy. But here's the key insight. SCHD covers JEPI's weaknesses. JEPI covers SCHD's weaknesses. That's why this pairing works so well. The income stacking strategy. Think of SCHD and JEPI as two layers of income. Layer 1 is SCHD. This is your base income layer. It grows slowly, steadily, and predictably. It provides inflation protection through dividend growth. It stabilizes your portfolio during bear markets. Layer 2 is JEPI. This is your income accelerator. JEPI increases monthly cash flow. It smooths volatility through option premiums. It provides psychological comfort when markets are choppy. Together, they create what I call income stacking. Instead of chasing yield, you stack stability first, then enhanced income. This is how professionals build income portfolios. Monthly versus quarterly payments. Let's talk about cash flow timing. SCHD pays dividends quarterly. JEPI pays income monthly. When combined, you get monthly income from JEPI and quarterly boosts from SCHD. This creates a smoother cash flow experience, especially for retirees. Psychologically, this matters more than people admit. Receiving income monthly reduces anxiety, helps budgeting, and lowers the temptation to sell shares during downturns. JEPI handles the monthly rhythm. SCHD provides the long-term raise. Volatility control in 2026. Market volatility is not going away in 2026. Interest rate shifts, geopolitical risks, and valuation concerns are now permanent features of the market. Here's how SCHD and JEPI respond differently. SCHD holds profitable, dividend-paying companies, avoids speculative growth, and historically falls less during market downturns. JEPI uses covered calls, generates income even when prices stagnate, and dampens extreme price swings. When markets drop, SCHD cushions the fall. JEPI keeps paying you. That combination helps investors stay invested instead of panic selling. Income reliability versus maximum yield. Many investors chase the highest yield possible. That's a dangerous game. High yield often means unsustainable payouts, NAV erosion, or excessive risk. SCHD prioritizes dividend reliability. JEPI prioritizes income consistency. Neither ETF promises extreme yield. Instead, they focus on repeatable income. In 2026, reliability matters more than raw yield. The role of dividend growth. Here's something many income investors overlook. Income that doesn't grow is losing purchasing power every year. This is where SCHD quietly does the heavy lifting. SCHD's dividend growth helps offset inflation, increases your future income, and reduces reliance on selling shares later in life. JEPI does not focus on dividend growth. And that's okay, because SCHD handles that role. This is another reason the combination works. How this strategy behaves in different markets. Let's walk through market scenarios. In a bull market, SCHD participates in growth. JEPI lags slightly due to capped upside, but income remains strong. In a sideways market, SCHD keeps paying dividends, JEPI thrives from option premiums, income remains stable. In a bear market, SCHD falls less than growth stocks, JEPI continues generating income, cash flow helps offset paper losses. No strategy is perfect. But this combination is resilient. Why this matters for retirees and pre-retirees. If you're retired, or within 10 years of retirement, this strategy becomes even more powerful. You're no longer just growing wealth. You're using it. SCHD preserves capital, grows income slowly, reduces sequence of returns risk. JEPI provides immediate income, lowers the need to sell assets, improves cash flow stability. Together, they help protect your lifestyle. Common misconceptions about SCHD and JEPI. Let's clear up a few myths. Myth 1, JEPI is too risky. Reality, JEPI reduces volatility but limits upside. Myth 2, SCHD doesn't pay enough. Reality, SCHD pays reliably and grows over time. Myth 3, option strategies are dangerous. Reality, covered calls are a conservative income tool when used properly. Understanding how these ETFs actually work is the difference between success and disappointment. Transition to allocation strategies. Now that you understand why SCHD and JEPI work so well together, the next question is obvious. How much should you put in each one? Because allocation is where most investors either maximize income or sabotage it. In the next part, I'll break down conservative allocations, balanced income allocations, aggressive income allocations, and how to adjust over time. As we wrap up this deep dive into using SCHD and JEPI together for maximum income in 2026, I want you to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. This strategy is not about chasing hype. It's not about finding the next hot ETF. And it's definitely not about trying to beat the market every single year. This is about building an income system that works in real life. SCHD and JEPI were never meant to compete with each other. They were meant to complement each other. SCHD gives you dividend quality, long-term income growth, stability during downturns, and confidence that your income can rise over time. JEPI gives you higher monthly income, smoother cash flow, reduced volatility, and peace of mind during uncertain markets. When you combine them correctly, you're not guessing. You're designing your income. Why this strategy makes sense in 2026. The reason this strategy works so well in 2026 is simple. The market is unpredictable. Interest rates fluctuate. Volatility comes in waves. But income, real, consistent income, gives you control. With SCHD and JEPI together, you're less dependent on selling shares, less stressed during market drops, and more focused on cash flow instead of headlines. That mindset shift alone can dramatically improve long-term results. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. Let's be very clear. This is not a strategy to get rich overnight. This is a strategy to stay rich, protect your lifestyle, and build dependable income over time. If you reinvest the income early on, you accelerate compounding. If you use the income later in life, you reduce portfolio stress. Either way, the system works, because it's built on discipline, not speculation. The most important takeaway. If there's one lesson I want you to remember, it's this: income investing is not about yield. It's about sustainability. Anyone can promise high payouts. Very few strategies can deliver income through good markets, bad markets, and boring markets. SCHD and JEPI have proven they can do exactly that, when used together with intention. Final word on personal strategy: your exact allocation will depend on your age, your income needs, your risk tolerance, and your long-term goals. There is no one perfect percentage. What matters most is that you understand what you own, know why you own it, and stay consistent through market cycles. That's how income investors win. If you found value in this breakdown of SCHD and JEPI, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more long-form income strategies, and share this with someone who's serious about building passive income in 2026. Because smart income investing isn't about timing the market. It's about building a portfolio that pays you, no matter what the market does. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.